Hi, boys and girls. We are going to work on a new shape this week. Okay, so get out your orange shape folder so you know that we have done, I'm going to go pull these out of here because I want to review just quickly. Now, I'm going to be testing kids this week, so we're going to review these shapes, okay? I think everyone knows this one. Circle. I'm Cindy Circle. Watch me bend. Round and round from end to end. I'm a curved line that never ends. The second shape we did was square. Remember Sandy Square? Sandy Square is my name. My four sides are all the same. Count one side and then count more. Count to 2, then 3, then 4. Turn me around. I don't care. I'm always the same. I'm Sandy Square. So the important thing about a square, 4 sides, and all 4 sides are the same. They're equal. And 4 corners, right? Okay, after square we did triangle. Tommy Triangle. Tommy Triangle is the name for me. Tap my sides. There's 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again and do the corners. Tommy Triangle is the name for me. Touch my corners. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay, after triangle, this was the last one we worked on a few weeks ago. What's that one? You see it starts with the letter R. Do you remember that one? Rectangle. Ricky Rectangle is my name. My 4 sides are not the same. 2 are short and 2 are long. Count my sides, come right along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold me this way, I look like a door. Hold me this way, I'm a window in a store. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the important thing about a rectangle, 4 sides, just like a square. But a square, all 4 sides are equal. A rectangle, 2 are short and 2 are long. Okay, that was a good review. Now we're going to do a new shape. I have a feeling you guys are going to know this one. This is a diamond. Now we're not going to spend too much time on this because in kindergarten we do the 4 main shapes and we do solid shapes. So later on we're going to do a cone and sphere. But right now, when we test, we're just going to test those 4 shapes. But we're going to go ahead and do this diamond. I have a poem. It says, my name is Danny Diamond. You think I like... I need to put my glasses on. Let's do this again. My name is Danny Diamond. You think I'm like a kite, but I'm really just a square whose corners are pulled tight. So boys and girls, does this look like a square to you? When I hold it like this, it doesn't look like a square to me, but how about like that? Kind of. But look, the angles or the corners are kind of different, right? It's straight on the top, it slants a little bit. It's straight on the bottom, and then it slants a little bit. The angles or the corners are a little different. Now look, the square has 90-degree angles. They're straight, 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 straight. There's no slanted lines. If I turn it this way though, look, that looks like a diamond, doesn't it? So another word for a diamond is called a rhombus. So you might hear people call this a rhombus. Now a rhombus is a 4-sided shape. Does this have 4 sides? Yes, it does. With 4 equal sides, squares are rhombuses, okay? Diamonds are rhombuses, okay? But not all diamonds are rhombuses, okay? It depends on the angles. So we won't have to worry about that too much right now. We're gonna remember diamond, okay? Then I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and get out your shape packet again from your orange folder. So we'll review really quickly again. Oh boy, that's a little sticky. I might have to oil that, grease that, so it slides better. Okay, we have done circle. We have done triangle. We have done square. And we have done rectangle. So if I keep turning, I'm going to get to the diamond. Okay, this shouldn't take us too long today. All right, I'm going to write my name, Mrs. J. Mrs. Jenkins. I'm going to trace the word diamond. Starts with a D, little I, A, M, O, N, D. That's how you spell diamond. This is how you spelled it here too. It's just that here it has a capital letter Here it's a lowercase. Okay, we'll color that later. It says trace the diamonds. Is this a diamond? Yes, it is. It has to have 4 sides and 4 corners like a square, but it's kind of like taking this square. If I could take the corners of this square and just pull them, pull this one down and pull this one up and kind of pinch the corners, make it look like a kite, right? Okay, is this one a diamond? No, that's a triangle. I'm going to put a big X on that. Is this a diamond, boys and girls? Yes, it has 4 sides and 4 corners, and they're slanted. How about this one? I think we better count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that a diamond? No, it has 5 sides. Okay, down here it says to draw a diamond. So this might look hard to you, boys and girls, but I don't think it's very hard. I'm going to start at the top and pretend like I'm making the letter A. I'm going to slant to the left, slant to the right. Okay, but instead of putting the line in the middle, now I'm going to slant down the opposite way down to the bottom. Okay, so give that a try. I'm going to make one, that's kind of a medium one, so I'm going to make a really big one. I'm going to make 3, and then I'll make a small one. All right, so I made 3 diamonds. Okay, I'm going to color that later. And I'm going to go to this page. It says write the name of the shape. Well, here it is, boys and girls, so you can just trace that. Okay, I'll hold this one up too. Yeah, I'm not going to use a capital D. It's fine if you do, but I'm going to use lowercase D-I-A-M-O-N-D. It says circle the corners, so I'm just going to put a little circle up on the top, on the bottom, and on the sides. How many corners did I count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, you guys are good at making 4s now, aren't you? Halfway down, then turn right, a straight line through, and a 4's inside. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, just like a square. It's just the angles are different, the corners are different. Trace the shape. We're going to trace this one. And now complete this one. It gives you these 2 sides, and we're going to have to come up here and slant down here, slant down, and then use the dots to make some triangles. I'll make a couple. Okay, this can make, it makes you do it nice and straight if you follow the dots. Oh, that's a good one. I think I have room to make another one. I'm going to go through the dots and connect them. I made 2 diamonds. Okay, I'm going to color that later. And that is it. We're not going to make a necklace. We don't have a little book for diamond. We just want to introduce a few more shapes besides our 4 main shapes. So that was a quick lesson. Thank you.